So welcome back to our channel One2Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete files in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you have a lot of files and you want to delete them and you don't know how, then this video is for you. So let's go ahead and get started with the video without any delays. Just go ahead and open your Finder and now select files that you want to delete. You can also choose to delete multiple files at once and right click. And now you'll see many options like this that says new folder with selection, open new tab, and move to trash. So we just need to go ahead and tap here. I'm going to choose to delete this option right here and move to trash. And guys, that's how you delete it. And if you still aren't convinced and you want to delete it permanently, you can also choose to empty your trash. And if you want it back, then you can double click and see the option that says put back. So guys, that's how you delete files in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.